Kuo kuhiriria kwa murimu uhuthiri wa mbeca makiria arwaru magietha motungata thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe ni imwe ya mitangiko iria arwaru mageragira riria mihango ya urigiti thibitari-ini cia muingi ya tharara. Mweri wa gatatu mwaka-ini uyu niguo arigitani maugire ciigana ni ciigana na magitiganiria motungata thibitari-ini na kiu nikio kiari kiambiriria kia minyamariko ya arwaru.
Ndagitari agoma riria ithuĩ turi arwaru tuthiaga kuri ndagitari tari umuthi uyu turi naguo ukihituka muci umwe kana iri wa gatatu gakora mundu murwaru cancer kaugiko gutie ndagitari uraguteithia enyo atangatha gikuo.
No riu riria tutari thibitari andu aitu ni momiraga muno tondu o muthenya andu makiria ma milioni ni mathiaga mathibitari na riria tutari kou acio ni andu ta milioni imwe maromira ti undu tukenagia no kaigi tutithiaga tondu ni wendi witu tuthiaga ni tondu tutindikagwo nginya tukinye hau.
Ona gutuika arigitani aya matetagira ihoto ciao arwaru nio monaga ruo amwe namba nene ndikoragwo na uhoti wa gwikinyia thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe kumana na ukunderu wa mbeca.
Wega kumenya ati mahinda maria mundu oire mihitwa na akiuga ni aritungatagira muingi constitution itu ni yugite wega muno murwaru na right ya guthondekwo ari mbeca na atari koguo nwega magaika makirora maundu macio na thirikari ni wega ona wega tiaga andu acio tondu mautaga mawira maritu muno.
The government has insisted to us that they are different government and there are different persons in office. That we need to believe in them, that they're not conmen.
The country has waited anxiously for 54 days to see you back to work. And they have a right to demand and expect to be served without further delay.
Na mieri mugwanja thutha ucio.
We must leave the hospitals for the governors who are liars. We must leave the hospital for the executive who are liars. We must leave the hospital for the ministers who are liars.
Arigitani aya o ringi ni marathigiririe gucokereria migomo na mirurungano kuona irekaniro ciothe iria maiguithanirie na thirikari itirahingitio na arigitani marekuaga ni wara makungirio.
That from 19th Friday stop admissions. From 19th Friday on Saturday begin discharge patient. On Sunday, get out of work. Nobody cares if the government doesn't care to release the money for the debts that are owed to the interns. If the government doesn't care to owe the debts that are owed in CBA, why should you care?
The only thing talking from today moving forward is money. Money talks, right? Money talks, you know?
Undu ungi urarakite arigitani aya ni ati ona thengia wa arigitani arutwo gukaya maheo mweke wa gutungatira arwaru thibitari-ini niguo maheo marua makuonania ni matirihite mathomo no mehokerwo arwaru thibitari-ini. Undu uyu utwikite maithori kuri arigitani aya amu ihinda ria mieri na riu mihituku matiri mamukira mishara iria marutire wira.
To our CS of health, since you are placed there by the president, that was 4 months down the line, you have never addressed the issue of interns. You have never even talked about them. Is it that you don't know what is going on in the country or you just don't care? But when the union issued a strike notice, that's when you come out and say you have paid us. What have you really paid us? And you are a doctor, just like us. You are our colleague.
We go to work without fare. Our houses are locked. Actually, personal rent, areas, the cover is not there, you see. Yeah, we also have loans to pay. So it is really a lot.
We have friends who are able to talk to the president. Sometimes he doesn't listen. But if he listens, I want him to understand that when people are complaining about something, it's not because they are anti-government. It's because they are anti-bad governance.
Kuringana na arigitani aya matumirwo gutungatira arwaru kona itiganite cia bururi kuraya na micii yao na kumana na wagi wa mbeca cia kwirugamirira. Aingi ao makoretwo makigomerwo ni thina wa meciria na gukinyiria riu arigitani atatu ni makuite mari mihango-ini ya utungata.
Saa hizi tunaambiwa hakuna pesa ya interns, lakini kuna mabilioni ya mpox. Wewe umeona mtu ana mpox hapa Kenya? Nyinyi madaktari mko kwa hospitali. Mmeona mpox mahali?
Sijaona.
Kama kuna pesa ya monkeypox, pia kuna pesa ya internpox.
We have no business sitting in boardrooms. We have no business for taking their teas and samosas. We have no business taking their waters. We have no business entertaining their lives anymore.
Maya mothe makihanika muingi niguo umagira na kuona matiri na mugambo wa gutuithania ndugamano riria yehanda mehokaga matua ma thirikari.
I would just like to know how moving forward you'd like to resolve this issue.
There's a Doctors Interns Act that I believe is ongoing, and I think that is one of the areas we can start with and strengthen. Equally, there are the return to work formulas that were given to the doctors, of which we can implement with support from Treasury and other sectors.
Okoro county government niremetwo ni kurugama na ndagitari citu tungihoya thibitari icokio national government at least niguo ndagitari ucio hindi ri araruta wira onake akamenyaga ni covered na njira ria yagireire makorwo makirorwo ta arutani ta thigari tondu onao no wira makoragwo makiruta na ni wira mathomeire na niho maturaga na miturire itu
wagwetererwo ni kana kuri hindi ndugamano igathira gatagati ga thirikari na arigitani na kana meguthie na mbere na guthima na hinya riria na arwaru thibitari-ini maranyamarika.
People are suicidal. I myself, if you ask me, has the thought ever crossed my mind multiple times?
All Kenyans, call your MCS, call your MPs, call your governors, call the president and tell that he has to take care of you.
Kwaga guthikaniriria, kwaga gukinyanirio kwa uiguano wa CBA ya mwaka wa 2017 ni mamwe ma maundu maria macungagiriria arigitani aya kuigamira thi na arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi nio mageragira ruo. Kiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.